Have you ever wondered how civilizations across the globe managed to connect before the advent of modern technology? Let's journey back in time, to the very dawn of maritime, when the first known seafaring vessels began to cut through the waves. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Phoenicians were among the first to harness the power of the sea. The Egyptians favored reed boats, while the Phoenicians, renowned as the sailors of the ancient world, built robust ships from cedar wood. These early mariners were driven by a primal human instinct, the desire to explore the unknown. But their voyages were not just about exploration. They were about survival, about trade, about connecting disparate cultures across vast bodies of water. Maritime travel was a lifeline, facilitating the spread of goods, ideas, and cultural practices, knitting the world together in a tapestry of shared knowledge and experience. As these maritime endeavors grew, they fueled the birth of naval warfare. The sea became a battleground, a theater of power where nations would assert dominance or succumb to defeat. Naval warfare, in its own right, shaped the course of history. It was not just about battles and conquests, it was a testament to human innovation and strategic prowess. The maritime industry was born out of a great necessity: the need to connect, to trade, to explore, and to protect. It was born out of a spirit of innovation, the constant quest to build better, to sail faster, to navigate more accurately. This spirit of innovation was the driving force that propelled humanity from simple reed boats to the massive cargo ships and advanced naval vessels we see today. Maritime history is not just a tale of ships and sailors, it's a testament to human resilience, ingenuity, and the unquenchable thirst for knowledge and exploration. It's about how we, as a species, have harnessed the power of the sea, turning it from a formidable barrier into a highway connecting different corners of the world. The maritime industry, born out of necessity and innovation, has been a vital part of human history. Imagine a time when the world map was yet to be completed and the oceans were full of uncharted territories. This era was known as the Age of Exploration, a period spanning the 15th to the 17th centuries, when intrepid sailors embarked on audacious voyages across the world's oceans. This was a time of discovery, both daunting and exhilarating, where every journey was a dance with the unknown. Among these daring explorers was Christopher Columbus, an Italian navigator sponsored by the Spanish crown. Columbus embarked on 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, which led to the widespread awareness of the Americas in Europe. These expeditions were more than just ambitious adventures. They marked a turning point in world history, setting the stage for the extensive overseas exploration and the eventual establishment of widespread permanent settlements. Then, there was the Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan. His expedition of 1519 marked the first circumnavigation of the world, a feat unheard of at the time. Despite facing insurmountable odds, including treacherous waters and mutinous crew members, Magellan's voyage demonstrated that the world was indeed round and significantly larger than previously thought. The Age of Exploration was not just about discovering new lands, it was also about forging new trade routes. The explorers' journeys led to the development of complex and far-reaching trade networks, connecting continents and cultures. Spices from Asia, gold from Africa, and tobacco from the Americas began to circulate around the globe, transforming economies and societies in their wake. The impact of these explorations was profound. They expanded our understanding of the world, breaking down barriers of fear and ignorance. They brought about cultural exchanges, economic growth, and technological advancements. But perhaps most importantly, these explorations solidified the maritime industry's role in global development. They underscored the importance of sea travel and trade, setting the foundation for the maritime industry as we know it today. These explorations expanded our understanding of the world and solidified the maritime industry's role in global development. What do you think happened when the world began to industrialize and technology started to advance at an unprecedented rate? Well, the maritime industry underwent a sea of change, quite literally. As the world turned towards the power of the machine, it was only fitting that the maritime industry would catch the wave, and what a wave it was. The Industrial Revolution in the late 18th century marked a significant turning point. The invention of the steam engine was a game changer. Ships, which had relied on the unpredictable winds and currents, could now power through the waves regardless of the weather thanks to the steam engine. This invention heralded the era of steam-powered ships, increasing the reliability and predictability of sea travel and trade. But the steam engine was just the beginning. The Industrial Revolution also brought about significant advancements in shipbuilding. The wooden hulls of yore were replaced by robust iron and later, steel hulls. These new materials made ships more durable and capable of carrying heavier loads. Meanwhile, in the world of navigation, the compass and the sextant were no longer the only tools of the trade. The introduction of more precise instruments and the development of accurate nautical charts allowed for safer and more efficient sea voyages. Communication at sea also evolved. The invention of the telegraph and later, the radio, transformed the way information was shared across the seas. Ships could now communicate with each other and with the shore, leading to improved safety and coordination. With these technological advancements, global trade saw a dramatic rise. The ability to transport goods quickly, efficiently, and in larger volumes across the seas opened up new markets and opportunities. The world became more connected than ever before, with the maritime industry playing a crucial role in this global integration. The Industrial Revolution propelled the maritime industry into a new era of efficiency and connectivity. This was a time of great change and progress, setting the stage for the next wave of innovation in the maritime industry. What if we told you that the maritime industry, one of the oldest in the world, is now being revolutionized by one of the newest forms of technology? Welcome to the world where artificial intelligence, or AI, is carving its niche even in the maritime industry. Over the past few years, AI has been making waves, no pun intended, across various sectors, and the maritime industry is no exception. Imagine a vessel that navigates itself. Yes, you heard that right, autonomous ships are becoming a reality. Through the use of AI, these ships can make decisions based on data in real time, reducing human error and increasing safety. They are equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to perceive their environment, predict potential hazards, and navigate accordingly. But the application of AI doesn't stop at autonomous ships. It's also being used for predictive maintenance. This involves using AI to predict when parts of a ship might fail or need servicing. By analyzing operational data, temperature readings, vibrations, and other factors, AI can anticipate potential issues before they become serious problems. This not only prevents costly repairs and downtime, but also enhances the safety of the crew and cargo. AI is also helping to optimize cargo loading. By analyzing factors like the weight and type of cargo, weather conditions, and the ship's itinerary, AI can determine the optimal way to load and distribute the cargo. This improves the ship's stability, maximizes space utilization, and can even reduce fuel consumption. Now, while AI offers significant benefits, it's not without its challenges. Questions around regulation, cybersecurity, and job displacement are some of the pressing concerns that need to be addressed as AI continues to integrate into the maritime world. In a nutshell, AI is not just a technological novelty. It's reshaping the maritime industry in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself, and we are just beginning to discover them. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the maritime industry. So, where is all this leading us? What does the future of the maritime industry look like? As we cast our gaze towards the horizon, it's clear that the maritime industry is on the brink of a new era, one shaped by the integration of artificial intelligence. The potential of AI in this field is vast, and it could revolutionize the way we think about and interact with the world's oceans. Imagine a future where shipping fleets are fully autonomous. No longer will human crews have to endure months at sea, away from their families and the comforts of home. Instead, AI systems will take the helm, navigating the world's shipping lanes with precision and efficiency. These systems will be able to predict weather patterns, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions about the most fuel-efficient routes. The result? A safer, more efficient, and more sustainable maritime industry. But the potential of AI extends beyond just shipping. Consider the possibilities for maritime surveillance. AI-driven surveillance systems could monitor the world's oceans in real time, tracking everything from illegal fishing activities to potential security threats. These systems could provide invaluable data to governments and environmental organizations, helping to protect our oceans and the rich biodiversity they support. And let's not forget about the potential for AI in marine research. AI systems could be used to analyze vast amounts of data, helping scientists to better understand the complexities of marine ecosystems and the impacts of climate change. This could lead to more effective conservation strategies and a deeper understanding of our planet. But like any technological revolution, the integration of AI into the maritime industry will not be without its challenges. There will be technical hurdles to overcome, ethical questions to answer, and regulatory frameworks to establish. But with the right approach, these challenges can be met, and the benefits of AI can be realized. As we sail into the future, one thing is certain: the maritime industry will continue to navigate uncharted waters powered by the winds of technological innovation.